Aloha, welcome to KTA Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Michi, and today we're going to be making sautéed long bean and mushroom. In a large skillet, heat oil until hot but not smoking. Medium-high works well. Add the onion and sauté until just starting to soften, then add the garlic, ginger, and Thai chili pepper if using. Stir for 1 minute, then add the long bean and continue to sauté for 2 to 3 more minutes. Then add the mushroom and season with garlic salt and black pepper. Keep gently stirring, try not to break up the mushroom pieces, and when the mushroom starts to slightly wilt, turn off the heat. Drizzle with sesame oil, sprinkle with black sesame seeds, and top with crispy shallots or onions. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.